What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brandon, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing a brand new Nintendo Switch DS Lite. But before we get into it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and get into it. Now, when I was a kid, the first gaming handheld device that I received was the Game Boy Advance. And with the Game Boy Advance, there was no lighting, so you had to play in the sunlight or in front of a lamp. And then when the Game Boy SP came out, it was a huge game changer because it came with a built-in light in it. So then you can now play it in car rides at nighttime, stuff like that. Then the Nintendo DS came out, and it's a huge hit, of course. And I first got one, I think it was a Christmas I got one, and I got a white one. And then later on, I believe I sold it for something else. But now I thought to myself, maybe it's time for me to go ahead and pick one up before, you know, things get a little bit pricey and it becomes more of a collectible. I want one in my collection, so I went ahead and picked one up. I got one off eBay for about $100. Not too bad. It's a brand new one, a brand new black one. So that's what we're gonna be unboxing. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Video doesn't go too long, should be fairly short. Here it is right here. Wow, I forgot how small they were. Put the charger off to the side. And here is the device. It wasn't really wrapped up very well. Good thing it was in a padded envelope. Those are my fingerprints. But look at this right here. That's right, I bought the used one here. This wasn't the brand new one, this is the used one. You can see it's got the scratches and stuff like that. I forgot I picked up the used one instead. There is the inside. Yep, you can see they tried to clean it, wipe it up, disinfect it before shipping it out to me, but it's in fairly good condition here. Wow, look at this thing. Beautiful. Alright, now let's see if she turns on. Is she charged up enough to turn her on? She is not powered on. Oh, wait. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to let this thing charge for a bit before I do any setting up on it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.